Do 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 do. I really like hanging out.
Yeah.
Oh, Vine, are you his dragon rider? Yep. So yeah, so this is. I know you have met Toothless. Remember that video you met Toothless?
Yeah, we take care of it.
Yeah, and I lost him, and now he remembered me. Breaking news. Oh, breaking news. Breaking news. There's another dragon and another trainer having a dragon. Let me show you the picture. I'm so excited to have fun with you, right?
Mm-hmm.
As you can see, you saw that dragon right there. If you missed it, let me show you again. I really like hanging out with you, Light Fury. Whoa! Well, hey, get off me! That tickles. As you can see, if everyone is gonna find him, they have to find him. Whoa, that was interesting, right?
So I hope you enjoy it.
Toothless, you wanna go?
That's so cool.
Toothless, you wanna go find him? Her?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go. What could they be? Whoa! Oh!
Oh, hi.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is...
Hiccup?
Yeah.
My name is Vine. This is my pet. This is my pet dragon.
And what's his name?
His name is Toothless. And what about yours?
Mine's name Light Fury.
Cool. I like that name.
He's like a girl.
That's super cool. Can I touch him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's cute. Oh, I think they like each other. Do you think, Hiccup?
Yep.
Well, Hiccup, do you want to be friends?
Yeah. Look, he can flap his wings up not himself.
I know. Let's go. So how was your? So when did you find him? When did you find her?
I don't know. Like
Did you find him into the hidden forest?
Yeah.
Whoa!
And he was sad, and now I kind of got him.
Did someone catch him?
No. I just defeat him.
Did you defeat all the dragon hunters?
Yeah.
Oh.
Defeat them.
Oh.
Well, can I see
What?
over there at that house?
Sure. Well, let's go. Hey, remember our movie?
Oh yeah.
I like that movie. Hey guys, I want to meet you, our friend Hiccup and Light Fury.
Alex.
Guys, you like her?
I'm trying to touch her.
You stay here, Toothless. Whoa, you got a pet dragon? That's so cool. Is he good? Does he bite?
No. My name is Hiccup and meet Light Fury.
Like Fury?
Yeah.
Yeah, I met him first. We are best friends, right, Hiccup? So,
Oh yeah, and the phone.
is he friendly?
Yep, he's really friendly.
Okay.
Open up the laptop. Maybe.
Well,
There's
he's
the movie of it.
well, he's.
Yay! There is the movie of the laptop.
Huh? What kind of movie?
The dragon movie of Toothless movie.
Oh, the How to Train Your Dragon movie?
Yes.
One. Is it 1, 2, or 3?
My team is number 1 or 2.
Number 1 is that Hiccup met Toothless, and 2 that they fight in the end, and 3 they met Light Fury.
Whoa.
Good.
I'm watching the movie of it.
What number?
Maybe number 2.
Oh, okay. You'll like that movie because
It takes a long time.
yeah, movies take actually a long time. I saw I saw.
The movie is done.
Okay, that's been 1 hour. That is 1 hour 41 minutes. That's a long time, right?
I got a new tablet.
Knuckles! Tails! What? Come downstairs! Okay. Let's go, Tails.
Oh, okay.
So, look. Whoa, is that a new dragon?
Yeah, my name is Hiccup. Who's Hiccup? Me.
Oh, hi, Hiccup. It's nice to meet you. My name is
Light Fury.
Light Fury, huh?
It's kind of like Light.
Oh, he's so cute.
Yeah, he is.
What is your name? My name is Super Shadow. Knuckles, Tails.
Right here.
I am Sonic.
He like. Okay, coming.
My name is Sonic. Whoa, is that a new dragon?
Light Fury.
Light Fury. Cool. That's super cool.
He doesn't bite.
Oh, is he friendly and stuff?
Yeah, he is friendly.
Oh, wow, you slide down.
Well, Light Fury's kind of look like a slimy.
Guys, if you like Light Fury and Toothless, let me know at the comments. Wait, who are those? The viewers. Oh, hi viewers, it's nice to meet you. My name is Hiccup. He has a dragon. He is a dragon rider. He met Light Fury, and Wildvine met me. Whoa, they're having a lot of fun.
I need to touch it.
Well, what if he bites me?
He's really friendly.
Huh? Wait, what do you mean? What did you say?
Really friendly.
Does he like biting people?
No. Oh, only he thinks you're a dragon hunter. Only he thinks about that.
What's a dragon hunter?
And like.
Oh wait, can I explain it, Hiccup?
Yeah.
A dragon hunter that they catch dragons and all that stuff, and they're trying to take all the superpowers and make all dragons mind control. Whoa, that's bad. I know. So
we just
had to protect our own dragons.
Nice laptop.
Thank you. We just ordered it yesterday.
Oh, nice. Oops. Sorry.
You ordered it yesterday, right? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I can't buy this blanket for dragons.
Yeah.
I
And
buy this.
yeah, and Light Fury likes pink. Light Fury likes pink and stuff.
Well, we buy a pink one.
Oh, okay. Can you give it to her?
Pink sparkly one. He likes sparkles.
Oh, really? He likes sparkles?
Yeah.
Cool.
I can't watch the movie of it.
Did you watch the number? Do you like? Okay, fine. You can speak. I'm sorry.
I saw her at the movie, but I did not thought it was real.
Wait. So did you? Wait.
Mommy, why Chelsea's like that?
Huh?
Why Chelsea's like that? It's kind of funny. It is so funny. Why Chelsea's like that?
I don't know. And Hiccup, what? We guys remember that? Guys, remember the video that we saw Dark Side with Toothless and Light Fury?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was cool. It was cool, right?
Yeah. Girls, how about you play at the laptop or the iPad?
Wait, guys, can I check one of those things?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, wait. Oh, wait, can I try the iPad? It looks
We
cool.
have a new laptop. Cool.
This is so cool.
And look at the laptop.
Wait, let me see. Whoa.
Look at the Apple iPhone.
Oh, so these are all apples?
Yeah, we thought we were gonna have apples.
Well, that was cool. When did you order it?
Thursday.
Oh, cool. That was cool.
Yeah, and we can test it out.
Bro. Hey, so why? You wanna have fun riding the dragons?
Yes.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
I want to see the dragons.
Well,
I'm gonna do one.
Come on, Violvine.
Okay. Wait for us.
We're waiting for you. Really, like, I think he's coming. So let's go talk about how our day is going. So let's go. I like knowing about people. Oh, really? Yeah. So, Vine, what do you like doing for today?
I think I like feeding chickens.
Oh, yeah, me too. So, you want to be best buddies?
Yeah, I really need a friend.
Wait, so you never had a friend?
No.
Well, you have friends over there. Yeah, we have lots of friends.
Look at them.
What are they doing?
They just want to have fun.
Oh, okay. So I think they're hungry. Are you guys hungry? Okay, let's go. Hold on, guys. You forgot about me.
Okay.
Let's go wait, Toothless.
Ow. It was kind of fun.
It's be right here. I think this is where. So, there's a. Oh, it says that this is a dangerous animal. You should not be touching it. So, wait.
Yeah, wait, I'm just going to put it away. Okay, let's go talk about it.
Yay! So I think let's go feed them.
Okay, wait, I'm just going to go outside and open the door.
Oh, wait. Fine. It's okay. You can cook by yourself. Fine.
Okay. Calm down. Come on, baby.
Well, look.
Come. Oh, look at them. Calm down.
I think they're ready to eat. So let's go put some for Toothless. There you go. There we go. I really.
Let's go relax.
Well, let's go make food for ourselves. Let's go. Over here. Come on, Violine.
Let's go to the kitchen. This is so yummy. Yep,
We're done. Let's go. Let's go, Hiccup.
Oh, I'm coming. It take like a hour or something. It take like an hour.
Let's go. Come on, Toothless.
The Fluffy's wings.
Okay, let's go. Hold on.
You have a good time?
Yeah. Guys, we're gonna end this video, so
A short video.
this is not a short video.
Okay.
So like down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
It's
so you won't-
really short.
It was not short.
It's short. Okay, fine.
It's not short. So like down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video that I post. And of course, good luck everyone.
Come on. Oh, sorry.
If you want to see let's go check on Toothless. Come on, Light Fury. They have a crush on each other. Do you?
Mhm.
I think they have a crush on each other. So that's kind of
Yeah, it's kind of awkward.
yeah, that's kind of
Or
odd.
kiss each other.
Excuse me. I hate this. So this is this is odd for the viewers. I know.
Yeah.
This is odd. Okay, let's just end this video. Bye.